All right, another thing we accomplished today is we got ourselves a load of pigs. And you might notice the dogs aren't big fans. They've never really seen pigs before, so this is a strange thing for them. So we got a good, pretty good deal on a load of 13 feeder pigs. So yeah, we're back in the pig business, and yeah, always fun to have pigs. Now that the weather is warm and feeding them water isn't such an issue, like when it's minus 40, pigs are much easier to keep. And yeah, we're hoping they'll grow fast. There's some bales left here from the last pigs. I'll dump a few more in tomorrow. Then we'll fill that feeder right up, and we'll be in business. All right, so we didn't have a big bag of feed to dump in here, but I bought a dozen small bags today, and we dumped them in manually, get the pigs going. Hopefully we'll get a full 1-ton tote in the next week here, and I can get it filled up. So, but the pigs are settled in nice, getting a bite to eat. Some of them are discovering the straw bales over there and getting themselves snuggled in. They can pull them apart, and I'll dump some more in yet. Stubby is still not thrilled about the new arrivals, but he'll get used to them. And yeah, we're making bacon, as it were. Here we are, Saturday morning. Pigs are all just kind of lounging in the straw in the sun. It's not as warm as it was yesterday, but it's still a nice day. Oh, pigsters, you're looking good. Look at all the bacon. Found something to munch on there, I think. You all cozy in there, little pig? Yeah, not bad. So here you can see the pigs are starting to get this feeder figured out. It's got little paddles they have to flick with their noses to get the feed to come out. And they are slowly getting her figured. It's a learning process for sure. And feeder pigs are certainly better at it than weaner pigs. Weaner pigs we'd have to feed. So it's a good thing we got feeders. And we got them for a pretty good price too. Because everything's expensive these days and only getting more dear. So any deal you can get is a deal you need to take. All right, pig, huh? Daisy still, Daisy, our dairy cow, is still making colostrum. So whenever the calves don't drink and the wash water gets mixed together, and then I put it in this trough, and the pigs kind of drink it as they will. So try not to waste much around here. Here the pigs are figuring out their water nipples. Getting a drink. Once one figures it out, generally within a day they all got her figured. There, they've got their feeder well figured out. It's always full of feed now. They know how those paddles work. It's a muddy mud hole in here, and it will be until things dry up a bit. There's still some snow and ice, but they've got a nice straw bed over there that they can cozy up in. And they're warm and dry there. So yeah, generally it's a pig paradise in here. Isn't that right, pig? That's right. Pigs, you know, it's always fun to, when they're gone. You're always happy to see them go, but they're fun when they're here too. And they taste delicious, so you can't say a bad thing about them.